Sorry. I'm trying to think. Please.
I need food. I'm hungry. This ulcer is not funny.
Why?
Oh.
Why? Am I not trying? I'm working now.
I need food. I'm hungry.
It's okay, just calm down.
And if you calm down, I get ulcer now.
You say you get ulcer. Me say I go still get if I no chop. Food no dey anywhere. I don't try tire, nothing dey. Sorry. But you to say they expect money.
The money no dey enter, I never enter.
Sorry. Shey you go drink blood tonic?
Anything I go drink, even that water.
Yeah, lie down, face down.
Thank you. I'm not paying food, anything I beg, just bring food, I beg. Even if na ostrich, horse, I go chop, vulture, anything.
Okay, you know what I go do? I might just try. Check out if I feel beg for food.
Thank you.
You can enter metro rooms.
Okay, yeah.
Ask for food for that side.
Thank
just
you.
Try food, eh? If I feel beg for food or something.
Oh, thank you. Go fast, I beg. This ulcer they hold me.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon.
Sorry to disturb your peace, ma'am. I don't know. I need a little of your favor, ma'am.
How can I be of help? And by the way, I've not even seen you here before, sir. So.
No, ma. I don't live here. I stay in one abete like that with my friend.
So you came all the way to come and beg for gala?
I've been begging around. I did not see anybody, but I just believe that you can help me.
These your slippers that looks like what? I don't even know what to do. Come and take gala so that you will not die of hunger.
Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless you.
I'll let it off.
Ma, please, now, can I ask for another favor?
What is it? You want to collect me and join the gala?
No, it has nothing to do.
Oh yeah, ask.
It's the same gala, ma. Please, I don't know if you can just cut small half again. It's
No,
my
Allah.
friend. My friend is an ulcer patient. He has not eaten anything.
Also, will kill your friend because the two of you are useless. You don't have work. Big boy like you cannot work. You are begging for gala. If you want gala, it's simple now.
Thank you.
Come and kiss my feet. You not hear me? Kiss my feet, I will give you gala.
I've not even kissed anybody before in my life.
Abi, don't do it. You want to die of hunger? You want your friend to die of us? Yeah. Start by kissing my feet. You want to fall me down? Move my socks very slowly.
Please, you can just give me the gala.
You have not kissed the kiss now. The gala is yours. Yeah. Now. Woo. Yeah, take. I drop my leg now.
Thank you.
This boy very creepy. You want to collect for the gala? For this small kiss, you won't collect. Please be going. Just be going. Be going. Give me my socks.
Thank you very much, man. God bless you.
Bye.
What's wrong? Comrade, did you sleep food?